How do I update my router's firmware? In today's digital age, ensuring that your internet connection is secure and efficient is essential. One of the key steps in maintaining your router's performance is updating its firmware. Firmware is the software that runs on your router, and keeping it up to date can enhance security, improve functionality, and fix bugs. Let's explore the steps you need to take to update your router's firmware effectively. First, you will need to identify the make and model of your router. This information is typically found on a label on the back or bottom of the device. Once you have this information, you can visit the manufacturer's website. Most manufacturers have a support section where you can find firmware updates specific to your router model. Before proceeding with the update, it is crucial to back up your current router settings. This can usually be done through the router's web interface. To access this interface, connect your computer or device to the router using an Ethernet cable or through a wireless connection. Open a web browser and enter the router's Internet Protocol address, which is often something like 192.168.1.1. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. If you have not changed these, the default credentials can often be found in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website. Once you are logged in, look for an option that says Backup or Save Settings and follow the prompts to create a backup file. This step is important in case the update process encounters any issues. Next, navigate to the Firmware Update section of the router's web interface. This is often labeled as Firmware Upgrade or Router Update. Here, you will find an option to upload the new firmware file. If you have downloaded the latest firmware from the manufacturer's website, locate the file on your computer and select it for upload. After you initiate the update, it is important to avoid interrupting the process. Do not turn off the router or disconnect it from the power source during the update, as this can cause significant issues. The router will typically restart automatically once the update is complete. Once the router has rebooted, log back into the web interface to verify that the firmware version has been updated successfully. You may also want to restore your settings from the backup file if necessary. By following these steps, you can ensure that your router is running the latest firmware, providing you with a more secure and efficient internet experience.